Hi, Duke Mountain here, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through the steps that you have to take for you to be able to withdraw money from YellowCard to SPENN account, then from SPENN account into your mobile money account. So let's take a ride. So let's head on to YellowCard. Boom, and here you will simply need to punch in the password. Then you click next. Okay, so now here, enter the PIN. And when you successfully log on to your account, you will need to withdraw money from the wallet address, the USDT, the wallet. So you simply swipe left, you check out there saying, I have, what is that? Okay, 0.56 USDT. So you can simply say sell to remove the dollars from the USDT wallet. Then you punch in what you see in the available USDT, 0.56482254. Then you click next. I'm not saying this is what you'll see in your wallet. Whatever dollars will be there, that's the step that you need to take to remove money from your USDT wallet. If you don't do that, anytime you attempt to withdraw money from there, they'll tell you that you have insufficient funds. So click next. We will actually be moved from here. You understand? To actually be moved from here into the main account. After it gets into the main account, what you need to do is you now come back here. When you get back here, you simply need to click withdraw. You check on those tabs which are sitting on top there. Buy, sell, deposit, withdraw. Click withdraw. Then choose the method by which you can actually withdraw the money. If you go by mobile money, then it has to be that you open the YellowCard account with MTN. MTN is the one which is compatible with YellowCard. If it's Airtel, you can't go by the first option. Then if I'd opened the YellowCard account with Airtel, this method I'm going to show you will help you. You can go by the third, says manual, but don't use the third method if you want to use the money right there and then. So what you do is you go by SPENN. So you have to have a SPENN account for you to be able to use this method. Make sure that it's verified and you have used the same mobile number that you had used with YellowCard. So click SPENN, then confirm that you have a SPENN account. Then here you have to punch in the amount of money that you have to withdraw. Is it 560 or 555? So we can go by 555. Then click next. Okay, so they're saying the current balance is 546. So we can change that. Let's delete that, 546. Then we click next. Then we don't change anything because everything is okay. So we can click next and then we confirm. And they're saying the fee will be 5 kwacha. So we will receive 541 or 540. Confirm. Enter the PIN here, which is the YellowCard PIN. Okay, so saying we receive your request, your withdrawal request. We'll let you know as soon as your 546 withdrawal request is complete. Click done. And boom, there is $16 remaining there. We can now start waiting on a confirmation that money has actually been transferred to SPENN account. Or we can head on to SPENN and check if money is in. So let's take a ride. Where are you, SPENN? SPENN is here. Then you log in. Enter your password there. Okay, so now you can check your balance by clicking that icon, which looks very much like a lock with the words view balance. Take a look at that. So I have 696. The question is, how then do you withdraw money from here to your mobile money account? Okay, so there's so many ways by which you can do that. You can either click cash out, and they'll show you the options. So when you click cash out, you see Kazang, Access Bank branch, then SPENN agent. But what I want you to do is to withdraw money direct into your mobile money account. So how do you do that? If let's say there's no agent, there's no SPENN agent, and there's nowhere where you've seen a Kazang, a machine at any booth, what you need to do is you head back and then you click transfer. So here you see now that there are 3 options here. There is SPENN account, there is bank account, and then there's mobile money operator. If you have a bank account, you simply click bank account and then you fill in the details. Now, our interest is to withdraw money direct into a mobile money account because that's handy. Almost every person has a mobile money account. And when money gets in there, we can easily share the money, can easily send it to any other person, and we can easily withdraw that money without wasting so much time. So let's hit mobile money operator. Then we choose which network provider would you love to go by. So if you go by Airtel, that's cool. Zamtel, that's cool. MTN, so go by Airtel. Then you need to enter. So now where it says reference, then enter phone number. On a reference, you can enter the same number to which you're sending the money. Then phone number as well, you punch in the same number. Then you enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw. So we can say 520. Then number. Okay, so after filling in the number, like you can see, you can now hit continue to payment. And boom, you have this here, and they're showing the name of the owner of the mobile money account to which you're sending the money. So now you check at the bottom there, it says swipe to confirm. You simply swipe right and it's loading. Boom, There's a tick at the bottom, and there's a notification on top that is saying you sent 520 to Billy Elisha. And check out, the money has instantaneously hit my mobile money account. You understand that? That's what I'm talking about. This one is instant. You don't need to wait for several years for the money to reflect in your account. So now, after you're done with all these steps, let's head back so that we happen to come on. Okay, it's here. You sent. Okay, beautiful. So now, whatever has remained here, I want to save that one, because with SPENN you can save whatever you have, so that you may begin to generate some profits. So now I say view balance, and then you've seen there is 176.64, right? Okay, so we are actually in the spending account. So in the spending account, you can click cash in. You can also click cash out. Then what you need to do is you highlight the savings account, which is labeled as Saver Plus. Then you click where it reads Move Funds. So now, where do you want to move funds from and to where? So we'll move that money in the spending account, and then we need to specify how much do we need to move. So we can say 176.64, and then we hit boom, and then we swipe right so as to confirm the transfer, and take a look at that. Can head back, and then we can click on my savings just to check how much is that. So we get 182.55. We can come back and check how much we're going to accumulate on top of this later on, because when you save money, there is always an interest which is added to the money you have saved on SPENN. So friends, that's how we do everything. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share the video, and then don't forget to like and leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell as you subscribe, so as not to miss on any video that I'm gonna post later on. Stay blessed.